Hi, this is Allie from MobileMonkey, and I'm going to teach you how to use the Navigate widget. So the Navigate widget is one of our more simple widgets. It does exactly what it sounds like, meaning it navigates users to the next page in your bot. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of how that would work. So say I had a welcome page set up that just had a text that said, hello, and I wanted to navigate my users to another page without them having to click any other button. I would use the Navigate widget. So I'd put that in right here. I'd have to choose what page I want it to go to. So maybe I would want them to go to Squirrel Monkeys because that's a really cute monkey and who doesn't want to see that? So I could navigate all contacts or any audience that I have set up. So if you don't know how to set up an audience, check out the audiences video. But you can navigate all of your contacts or just specified contacts to whatever page you want. So I could navigate them to Squirrel Monkey, and then they'll get to see that really cute squirrel monkey. So just to show you how this would work, I'm going to test this page and I'm going to open Messenger. And there it goes. I said hello and it automatically navigated to this page with the squirrel monkey on it. So that is how the Navigate widget works. And there's a couple reasons you might use this widget. If you wanted to direct one audience in one direction and another audience in another direction, for example, without them having to click anything, you could use it for that reason, put two Navigate widgets in there, or anything like that. There's a lot of different use cases for it. So thank you for watching, and I hope that helps.